Yeah. Good morning. Hello. So, my goodness. I'm going to plant my plants we got yesterday. I don't usually plant in my room, but I have a significant amount of replanting plants that are up here already that I don't feel like carrying them all downstairs. Because I'm just kind of trading them between pots. I was definitely a little bit early to Lowe's. Mom and I, we jumped the gun a little bit. They didn't have a lot in stock. Although they did have some stuff, and we still got like some really cute plants. So, alright, so let's see. I'm going to start with the plants that are going outdoors. So that includes this, which is a primrose. It's cute. And I got two English daisies. I thought these remind me of like Susicle. They're like who plants to me, like who daisies. I don't know. They're really cute. And I did plan on putting them in one container together. One, what's it called? Pot? One of these, but that probably is actually a bad idea. So we'll see about that. In my head, they were smaller compared to that, and they would have fit nice, but no one for sure. The daffodils here, I love daffodils so much. They don't need to be repotted. They came in this pot. The other two plants I got that are staying up here is a coffee plant. So, this one has two tags. It's named the Purple Waffle. I enjoy medium light. It looked really healthy and happy. So cute. And this is a coffee plant that also looks amazing. This one like full sun. Highlight. Super cute. So something I got is this strawberry plant kit. And it said it has 10 plants. And like it was $10. Not the cheapest. But I'm looking at it and I'm just like, I just see dirt. It's like the instructions say to like set the plant in place so the crown part of plant where the roots meet the stem is about 1 to 2 inches below the surface. I'm like, it's talking about planting specific parts of the plant, and all I see is like this dead thing and dirt, and like, how are there 10 plants in here? I don't understand. I don't know. But I have this cute strawberry and Prosecco jam jar to put a plant in. In theory, a strawberry plant in. Oh my god. Alright, I guess let's see what's in this strawberry plant package here. Okay, we have something here. Alright, so this is what I've uncovered so far. Look at this. Okay, I understand better. Okay. These are each a plant, I think. Yep, there were 10 plants. There were 10 plants in there. There we go. There's one down. I planted this one. I'm planting this one now. Wow. Looking pretty. I think there's a parade. Wow. Alright, so we're about to do some of the houseplant transfers, so I thought I would just show you all what needed to happen, what my plan was. So we have this Hoya. It's looking a little yellow. I don't know. It's got these spots. I don't know how well it's doing, but we have some roots popping out the bottom there. So we're going to upgrade the Hoya to a larger pot. Specifically this one. It's kind of like, you know, hermit crabs here. So this I got, when I got it, I knew I got it to go with this pot, and the pot immediately I realized was like too small for it to stay in for very long, but it's what I had at the moment. So at Lowe's, I got this pot, and it's going to be going from this one to this one. Now that we've hit growing season, this one will be going into this one. And I guess I'll go ahead and like throw a strawberry in this one. This guy just isn't doing very good, so I'm going to hold on to, you know, the plant in case it comes back. But I am going to put something else in this pot. I'm going to put this in this pot. Wow, amazing. Actually, I don't need to plant that. We'll just do it like this for now. Beautiful, wonderful, great. Repotting complete as far as I'm concerned. And my coffee plant, you aren't getting replanted today. I do have like more pots downstairs, but I did buy that one in mind for this plant, this pot, in case this plant does not come back. So I'm just waiting a little bit longer before replanting it in case I officially decide to toss this, or plant it in something else. So yes. Okay. Oh, and this one is here too. It's just like roots are out for some reason, so I'm just gonna get its roots covered again. Yeah. This one, I had some propagation starts, so I just put them in a little cute mug. Alright, here we are. Here is our plants. Here's the strawberries. They just all look like dead plants, so they're back here. But yeah, I actually ran out of dirt, soil, so some of them are a little low, like this one on the sides. And then I ended up grouping 2 strawberries in each of the nursery pots instead of giving them their own. So yeah, that's just the situation. They're looking cute. Yeah. This one was really difficult to add. The roots are popping out. I don't know. It grew that way. It wants to be there. We'll start some monstera. This one ended up in here. I ended up putting this one back in its old pot because it had the roots coming out the bottom. But when I took it out, there was like really, like the root went down, but there was just like one like kind of like squiggly bit, and there's still like lots of like room in loose soil. So this really didn't need to upsize, whereas this actually like was had some root buildup on the bottom, which I showed in a clip. So I decided to go ahead and put it in here in this one. These look cute. I think they're gonna look really cute outside. I'll see them from my window. Oh, they look so happy. Those are the pansies from last year. Alright, so this is what I decided on for the strawberries. I put them under this grow light, so that way they actually get full sun and they're more likely to grow properly and produce berries. That's the whole point. So yes, very, very nifty. Hello, it is Tuesday here and I just came over to open my curtain and what did I find? Some daffodil blooms, they're popping out. Look at that. Look at that. So exciting. It's just this afternoon and it looks like this might just completely bloom by the end of the day. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Hello, it is a couple minutes later and 3 of the outer leaves have popped. Amazing. Hello. I wanted to give an update that look at my daffodils! Ah! So many bloomin' daffodils. So many. There are 8 fully bloomed right now. I think that's most of them. And yeah, they all came out this week. And it's very cool and my room smells really good because of it, or at least here where I'm sitting at my desk because I sit right next to them. And it's nice and it's been giving me time to smile about, and I've been showing all of my coworkers who come on a call with me. That's my little update. I mean, all the other flowers are like fine. They haven't like changed. They haven't like suddenly died. The flowers I got were like bloomed already besides the daffodils, so that's really the only exciting thing I have to show you. But yeah, so here's the coffee plant. It looks very pretty and shiny. There's a dead plant. Here's one of these. It's got some little blooms coming out. This one won't stand up anymore. I don't know why. Here's the purple waffle. Being cute and purple still. It looks so good in this container.